Hey, welcome to this course by Juan Martín García, a designer and developer. In this course, we'll be learning the basics of Sketch, one of the most popular webs for interface designing for either websites, apps, e-commerce platforms. Important companies such as Apple, Facebook, or Nintendo use Sketch on a daily basis for designing their products. So in this course, we'll be getting to know this toolkit and learning the basics to start working in an easy and organized way. If you are used to other software like Photoshop or Illustrator, you'll be surprised how fast and easy Sketch is. You will also discover other tools that will make Sketch your favorite toolkit. Unfortunately, Sketch is only available for Mac OS Web, so you can only use it with this operative system. If you have Windows, there is an app called Sketch Viewer, with which you'll be able to view and open Sketch files but not edit them. There are other options for Windows like Adobe XD and Figma. Sketch license costs $99, and if you're a student, you can get a 50% discount. But if you prefer giving it a try first and see if it works fine for you or not, you can try it for free and download a 30-day free trial, which offers all the functions. So basically, this is all you need to get started. Download and install Sketch. After that, we are ready to start.